Okay. You are going to want to spray your basket before putting your French toast in. This is sticking. So this is one reason why I like to make these videos, so you will not make these mistakes. So we're going to do this again. The bread that I'm going to be using today is brioche. Come to find out, this is a classic bread to use to make French toast. I did not know this at the time when I purchased it. I went to Aldi. This was staring me in the face. I thought this would be perfect for French toast because it looks buttery to me. Come to find out, it does have butter and eggs in it. With that said, you can use any bread that you like. Sandwich bread, Texas toast, whatever. So I'm going to be using 2 eggs today. I don't plan on making that much, so I probably could really get by with 1, but I'm just going to go ahead and do 2. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of milk. That's probably about 1/4 cup. Now this is where you can add what you want. You can just go ahead and leave it like this. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of vanilla. I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of cinnamon. You can use nutmeg if you want, or add a little bit of sugar. I was going to put sugar in, but I decided I'm going to leave that out. Okay. All we need to do now is, I'm laughing because I forgot to turn my camera on and I did all of these. I will be able to get 3 of these into my air fryer. I'm using a Cookie Essentials 5.3 quart. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. I'm just going to go pop this into my air fryer basket. Remember to spray it with oil. Okay, I have this set at 400 degrees and the timer for 7 minutes. Okay, we are 5 minutes in, and these are nice and golden brown. Keep in mind, my air fryer was preheated because this is my second batch that I had to do over. So it would probably take 7 minutes on the first side. I'm going to check the bottoms of these. I'm going to flip them over. I think they need about another 2 minutes on the other side. And they're not sticking. Yay. Just be sure to spray your basket. Okay, so I'm going to go a couple more minutes on the other side on 400. Okay, our 2 minutes is up on the other side, and these are done. Yeah, so just remember to spray your basket with some oil so they don't stick. Very good. Tastes like French toast. Okay, as you just witnessed, doing French toast in the air fryer works out wonderful, and you're not frying it in butter, which is a plus. Just remember to lightly spray your basket first so your French toast will not stick. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please give me a thumbs up. I appreciate it. Also, if you would like, leave me a comment. I try to get back to everyone. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.